Alright, number 2, we want to find the following whole number that makes the statement true if possible. So nothing really tricky here. With the first one, part A, we're just going to divide 14 divided by 7, and that will give us 2. Now on part B, we have some unknown number that we're dividing by 35. This is how algebra kind of comes into play. So I'm going to say x, some unknown. We're dividing this number by 35, and that is going to give us 0. Okay, so there's only one such number, but sometimes if you can't figure it out, remember we can work backwards. So just multiply by 35. Okay, so multiply and divide by 35, that gives us 1. And so we have basically x divided by 1, or x times 1, which is still 1, or just x equals 0. So we get x equals 0. So the only number that we can have and divide by something else and get 0 is 0. So we can take 0 and divide it by some number, but we cannot take a number and divide by 0. So be careful there. The order makes a big difference. So 0, and then 60 divided by some number will give us 6. So again, you can kind of work backwards with some algebra. — 60 divided by some unknown equals 6. So here we're dividing by x, so what we would want to do is multiply by x. There's a different symbol. So this will cancel out, and we will have times x over here. So we will get 60 equals 6 times x. And then from there, we can either figure 10, or then you divide by 6. Okay. And that will give us 10. Okay, so some of these are easy to figure out, but if you're needing to show work and go through the steps, then that's what you need to do here.